Yo, what is going on, Doc's Gang? That was weird. Let me try that again. Hold up. What is going on, Doc's Gang? Y'all good? What's up? How y'all doing? Today, you know what? I haven't done one of these in a while. I'm going to be mimicking the legendary young Sizzle, aka Southside, today. Why? Because, well, you know, haven't been doing videos in a while, and you know, Southside is a GOAT, and don't have any other video ideas at the moment. But yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe. If you're not subscribed right now, I don't know why you're watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. Stop being a child and subscribe to the channel, okay? I'm gonna need that sub. Hit the bell, little notification icon, turn on post notifications. You already know what it is. So now, moving forward, I kind of want to start doing different stuff with these beats, like using different sounds and like being actually like creative. So let's put Omnisphere on a hold. You know, don't worry, Omni, relax, okay? Hey, relax, okay? We're gonna come back to you. All right, Dune 2 kind of turned up the last video, so yeah, let's try it out. Alright, throw on some of that gross meat. Alright. Don't worry, alright, relax. We're figuring it out. We're feeling it out, don't worry. Pause. All right, let's add some all right, let's do our own effect tricks real quick. I'm gonna, since I don't have effect tricks, let's do my own thing. I don't know why I don't just save this as a preset, because this preset's actually. See, before I did that, I was thinking about using a sub bass instead of a spins 808, but we're gonna go with the spins, okay? We're gonna actually, let's do that right now. Let's just do that right now before I change my mind again and do something stupid. Okay, so our sub bass and our, no, excuse me, our 808 and our melody are going very well together, okay? That was very quick. You know what, let's just continue with the drums. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Just gonna go with the flow today. Then I'm gonna come back to the melody. I know I do this a lot, as you know. I mean, I just do my own thing, guys. You know this by now. You've been watching me for how long? Like, come on. Now I really need a counter melody. Yo, a nice counter melody would be, oh man. All right, you know what, let's continue. Like I said, I'm gonna continue with the drums. Let me just keep my word. All right, hi-hats. I'm not gonna do, I was gonna say I'm not gonna do the little stutter hi-hats, but like I'm not keeping any promises, I'm sorry. If it sounds good, it sounds good. If all my beats have stutter hi-hats, I'm sorry. That just sounds good to me. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Like, sorry. Okay, this hi-hat, no. Alright, we need some better snares though. This is not. Alright, cool. So I know what you're thinking. Oh, well, video's over. I can click off on it. No, wrong. What you can do is sit your behind there and wait for me to finish. Alright, because as you can see, there's still some more minutes down there. So you better keep watching. Alright, we're not done yet. What we need to do is add a counter melody. I know I said that before. Roll the clip. Now I really need a counter melody. Yo, a nice counter melody would be, oh man. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know what I want to use it. Omnisphere or Nexus. I might just put on both just to see what I, find. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna keep the counter melody at that. I think that's cool. Now I just want to mix it now because obviously we can't just leave the beat unmixed like this. It's disgusting. Like no, we're not gonna do that. What we are gonna do is add some wave shaper. We're gonna add some EQ. Guys, I think we're done now. I think we're all good. We're good to go. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go rearrange it after the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Y'all already know. Alright, I don't know why you're watching this and you're not subscribed, because I know you are, okay? Y'all know why, because I can check my analytics all the time. So subscribe to the channel. Stop just watching my video. I appreciate you watching, but you gotta subscribe. Join the game. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. And peace.